Hey guys, today we're gonna have slime, and this slime will be okay. Mine is green because I added something, and we're gonna get right into the video, and I'll show you, what to do and what to use for this slime. What you'll need is a glue stick and your hand. Our hands is dirty because we already made it, and a gel pen or a pen. I'm using a glitter gel pen. As you can see, I don't even know how to make you guys see that. Look on it. It says it right there. And we're driving to church. That's why you can hear the backgrounds, because we're driving to church. Sorry for the background noise. So, open first. First you're gonna color your hands with this gel pen to make it a green. It hurts your hand because it's a pen, and don't worry, you won't get ink in this. And then
What is a Baylay roll?
take the glue stick. It has green because I do this.
That layer.
See?
No.
Put some glue. How much glue?
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
I'll put a little more. Take it. So once again, I'm making this.
I thought you said ballet.
So then you wanna my turn. Now you can just rub your hands together, or you can just do that. But I'm doing this. Oh no, my son.
No, coach picked me.
And then do that or that. Don't put that in your mouth. That's done. And you will see it like forming into goo.
You ever get that feeling when your body just irritates you?
We'll be back when we're finished. I'm almost finished here. It just formed
Like, what's his
slime.
name?
Daddy broke
Giannis. You know Giannis
Slime.
is football? He used to suck.
Who?
Giannis, who's like a legend now.
Oh, Antebellum?
Can y'all keep it down? We're like making a video here. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to make slime. And don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and comment. And if we get to 200 subscribers, we'll do a video of our face of making slime out of.
Oh, whips can't pop.
If we get to 200 subscribers, we'll do our face reveal.